Hello and welcome to another great ICO review and great project. This one is called IOVO, which is Internet of Value Omni-Ledger. We share our information to the big companies, to data centers, for advertisements, Google, Facebook. They all use our data, our name, age, interests, search queries, what we buy, what we do. They know almost all of these things, but we don't really gain something out of it. It ignores the human value of data, and the problems are starting to show. Yes, there is a $1 trillion of business, but we get nothing, just $0. Okay? So, this IOVO brings the idea of, let me show you the website. It's time to decentralize data ownership and monetization. So, we should have our data in blockchain, we should decentralize it, and if companies want to buy it, we are going to sell them, yes, but we are going to earn something too in return. They believe in data ownership, which is, I believe, great. Okay, let me tell you the details. So, they probably thought about using blockchain, but they're going to use something different, a little different. DAG, which is the directed acyclic graph. It is something quite different. It doesn't really work like chain from one to another. It works different with different connections, and blockchain is slow and costs a lot. You know Bitcoin and you know Ethereum, and they need fees and they are kind of slow sometimes. This DAC is faster, but it's untrusted. For example, what was the name? IOTA used this, but it's not done before, and it has some problems. But IOVO uses multi-blockchain directed acyclic graph, which means it has blockchains, but it is also DAG. It combines the good parts of each. So mechanism, so it will operate as fast as a centralized solution. It's better than servers, and we own our data, okay? It also ensures stability and security because single transaction DAG used in IOTA is untrusted and should be further tested. However, IOVO combines blockchain's well-trusted tech with the performance and scalability using sharding. Okay? And it's very fast. It's probably the fastest one. It will be the fastest one. It's more than 350k transaction per second. It's more than that, and below 1 second. It's the time between shards. If we compare it with other data projects, because IOVO will keep our data, for example, sensitive data, yes, we can have it. Data protection, yes, it has post-quantum encryption, and it has all these attacks resilience and decentralized ledger. It has its own blockchain, yes. DAG technology, yes. Scalability, storage, yeah, of course. Data analysis, yeah, these will be good for companies. They can analyze data with artificial intelligence. They can create decentralized apps on IOVO and user-created smart contracts and application variety. They can do almost anything with our data, but we are going to be in control of it. So data ownership is freedom. Think about a world where Google pays us for every search on our data. This is IOVO, yes. Every search on its network is paid, so if they search our data, we'll get paid. And data market is booming, they see it, so they are doing this project. According to their website, and there's a pitch here, you can, let me show you, check, pitch deck, they have a slide here, just check it if you like. As they say, the market will be worth 300 billion USD in 2018, and it will go more and grow further, obviously. And they can't really process this information right now. It's just 1% is being analyzed. But it will be more when AI and supercomputers work on these. So what are the benefits of IOVO? For users, data wallet and access to network, data ownership, this is the best, data security and transparency, data monetization, we can earn something, and anonymity. For decentralized app owners, so if you create your own app on it, you can access to a throughout global database via data wallet, monetization of own data, data security, acquisition of more users, and unmodifiable history. They can't be changed, it's unmodifiable. Anyway, for companies and data analysts, they can access this big data from here. They can do data research and analysis. It will be fully anonym. And direct contact with surveyed users. Yes, they are directly in contact with us. And it's secure data storage in blockchain, which is probably a lot cheaper than their servers. And of course, IOVO will have an ICO, initial coin offering, public sale from 20th December to the end of December. You can check it on their Telegram group or their website. The token price will be 12 cents. And you can see here 10% of the tokens will be available in public sale, and they have sold probably 30% in private sale. And I think this is great. They are going to give an airdrop. It's not a smart drop, they say it. 20%. It's a new way of airdrop which requires KYC. So they will get the information from people, so there won't be duplicate users and they will be real users, so it will be more decentralized. More people will use the coin. So if we check their roadmap, actually I can show you on their website too. I took a screenshot here. So look, as I said, they will have their own blockchain, but in the first quarter of 2019 they're going to have an alpha version of it, and they're going to use ERC20, the Ethereum based token. Then next year, in the Q4 2019 or 2020 maybe, I don't know, they will launch their own mainnet. So you can think like 1 year after the ICO they're gonna have a mainnet which will probably have a very good influence on their token price, I hope, I don't know. And they're going to release their products and it will be fully functionable. I hope, I don't know, but it seems like that. So you can check their website, you can read everything, you can check their advisory team. They are in Switzerland, I think. Yes. But most of the team seems they stay and they work in Poland. And look at the names, you can guess. You can check their LinkedIn profiles. I believe this is a good project and it can be successful because data is important right now. Big data is very interested and people and companies look after it. So I think IOVO will be a valuable project, and thanks for listening today. See you in another review and goodbye.